True's visual merchandisers provide the visual impact of an air curtain, with energy efficiencies found only in True's world-class coolers. All TVMs feature R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant, providing an environmentally friendly refrigeration system with shorter compressor run times, lower energy consumption, and the industry's coldest holding temperatures. TVMs feature low-profile self-closing door frames, an emollient-free design placing greater emphasis on the product display and visibility while reducing sensitivity to ambient conditions. High illumination LEDs further enhance showcase product with a brilliant lighting display. TVMs have a durable non-peeler chip laminated vinyl exterior. Our in-house graphics capabilities allows each unit to be customized with side panel and cabinet end decals for brand awareness. TVMs feature a bottom mount compressor, allowing for more efficient operation, ergonomic loading and unloading, exterior top of unit dry storage, as well as ease of service and maintenance. The interior features an attractive NSF-approved, white-coated aluminum liner with stainless steel floor. Units come standard with adjustable heavy-duty cantilever or PVC-coated wire shelves and can be used for any refrigerated products such as cold beverages, snacks, sandwiches, or prepackaged goods. TVMs provide energy savings equal to 7 air curtain units while offering brilliant visual displays. True's commitment to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems, provide colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's visual merchandisers.